will have the ability to pay restitution.
Courtroom, you racist. 22 years. Racist. You ain't.
Manson Bryant and Judge Eugene Lucci are no strangers. In reality, Bryant has come before Judge Lucci's court more than twice, beginning with a juvenile case in 1999. Bryant has a long criminal record and has been in and out of prison. However, this hearing before Judge Lucci is for a violent home invasion and robbery while on parole. Bryant and an accomplice climbed into the victim's window, held them at gunpoint, and stole their goods. He faces charges of aggravated burglary, aggravated robbery, kidnapping, and abduction. The previous time he stood before Judge Lucci, he was sentenced to 4 years in prison. However, after reviewing the evidence, the judge found that Bryant was sincerely regretful, and the current felony carries a maximum jail sentence of 30 years. He condemned him to 22 years in prison.
The last time before this time that I had him, I put him in prison for 4 years for a robbery. He acted out briefly on his way out of the courtroom, and I just let it go.
Bryant's regret could not have been deep since he erupted immediately, shouted at the judge, and called him racist. The rant lasted a while before Judge Lucci had enough. He examined Bryant's remorseful remarks and increased his sentence by 6 years, bringing the total to 28 years. Bryant was then forcibly taken from the courtroom. Bryant's attorney, Daniel Williams, claimed that the hearings are frequently emotional and that his client engaged in an emotional but regrettable behavior. He remarked that his client had remained composed and remorseful throughout the trial, prior to the judgment. Bryant was unsuccessful in his appeal in 2020, and the judgment was upheld. However, he filed an appeal against the judgment.
Well, it was clear that the remorse that he was trying to portray was phony, and that he wasn't remorseful at all, and that if given the chance, if I let him loose on society, he's going to prey on other people.
In the first week of June 2022, the Ohio Supreme Court found that cursing at a judge is only a case of contempt of court and does not deserve an additional 6 years in jail. The court ruled that a trial judge may not raise a sentence only because the defendant was abusive or disrespectful.